In an era where electrification is transforming our world, the demand for reliable power infrastructure has never been greater. As we embrace electric vehicles, data centers, and renewable energy, the need for advanced power solutions is skyrocketing. Panduit is at the forefront of this revolution, providing innovative solutions for solar and wind, AI and data center expansion, and automation. Today's power landscape faces higher demands and complexity. Hybrid systems, stringent safety requirements, sustainability goals, and smart integrations present unique challenges. The biggest change for power infrastructure has been the massive growth of data centers and infrastructure. Panduit is ready to tackle that change head-on. Panduit recently announced plans for a manufacturing facility for its electrical connectivity and grounding capabilities in Monterrey, Mexico. The new 90,000 square foot facility will manufacture a wide range of electrical connectivity products, including wire termination, power connectors, terminals, and the advanced RealSmart solution, as well as various grounding and bonding products. Panduit also has a new 400,000 square foot warehouse in Maryville, Indiana. Our structured grounding systems and high-performance connectors provide robust solutions that ensure reliable electrical performance and minimize downtime. These systems enhance the efficiency and safety of operations. Our solutions are deployed in various critical applications: data centers, manufacturing facilities, EV charging infrastructure, renewable energy installations, and smart buildings. Panduit solutions provide a sturdy foundation for efficient, safe, and sustainable operations in today's increasingly complex industrial environments. Panduit's goal over the next few years is to vastly expand our product portfolio in power and grounding. With future-ready solutions, global compliance, and unparalleled technical support, Panduit is your trusted partner in the electrification revolution. For more information, visit panduit.com.